Hi everyone, this is Karen Abelian. Welcome back again sa ating YouTube channel. So for today's video ay dadalhin ko kayo sa isa sa pinaka-importanting event na magaganap sa aming buhay as a education student. So yung aming venue pala is dito sa USJR Coliseum Basak Campus, and this event was nagaganap ito last February 13, 2026, but ngayon ko lang siya ma-edit. It's because of the busy schedule. Kasi super busy talaga namin, lalo-lalo na yung aming magaganap sa aming mga buhay-buhay sooner or later. So, yan. So, ano ba talaga yung event na ito at napaka-importante ito para sa amin as a student teachers? So, why and what? So, ito yung tinatawag nating CADTech. So, meaning, it is an organization specifically for administrators and deans of teachers education colleges mainly active in Region 7 of the Philippines. So, examples ng nakaka-cover nito is yung Cebu, Bohol, Siquijor, Negros, and all. Basta, as long as you are getting the program of education, so you are belong here. So what is the purpose of this event or of this seminar? So the purpose is to promote communication and cooperation among teachers educations institutions in the region, and also to hold conferences, forums, and other activities to discuss issues related to teachers education, share experience and insight, and explore the development direction of the profession. And lastly, also to guide and support the training of future teachers, help them improve their professional quality and teaching ability, and prepare them for entering the education field. So, that is the agenda. That is the purpose of this event. So, nakarating pala kami dito. So, yung aming call time, it must be before 8 nandun na kami. So, kaya nagising kaming maga at pumunta kami doon, at doon na kami nagkita-kita ng mga friends namin and yung mga colleagues namin. At ang dami pala. I was surprised nung pagdating ko doon. Hindi naman ganun kadami nung pagdating ko doon, pero I was surprised. Akala ko whole Talisay City College lang yung meron doon. But, lahat pala. I wasn't expecting lahat ng education teachers na belong sa Cebu is nandoon lahat. As in, kahit ang napakalayo nila sa Carmen, doon sa Dalaget, nandoon sila. I am so happy na nakikita ko sila, although hindi kami nakapag-usap, but yeah, I am still happy na ang dami palang gustong mag-teacher. So, I am one of them. Gusto ba? Talaga? Talaga lang ha. So, let's see. So, yan. Yung theme pala namin ng event na to is the theme for this 16th Student Teachers Congress is the Building Classrooms of Hope, Future Ready Educators Leading Peace, Sustainability, and Quality is Education. So, yun yung ating theme dito sa CADTech na to. So, meron pala silang binibigay sa amin yung blue, yung nakikita nyo kanina, yung blue na para siyang tokens. Yan yung ang nakalagay doon is yung para siyang program, and nandito yung mga program na Teachers Education for Sustainable Development, integrating the SDGs for Teacher and Learner Empowerment. So, nandito lahat ng magaganap sa araw na to, at ang dami. And I am super duper happy kasi akala ko maboboard ako doon, pero yes, I was wrong kasi ang saya. And they have different speakers. So, meron akong list of speakers here. So, hindi ko sila lahat ano ba tawag, hindi ko sila lahat isang masasabi, but isa sa mga pinaka the best na is yung sisters, yung Falcon ba yun? Wait lang. Wait. Okay, I have the list. So, bali dalawa. Actually, tatlo silang speakers. So, bali dalawang set lang. So, yung before kami nag-lunch, and yung si Dr. Babia and the twin sisters. Meron silang review sister, yun yung tinatawag na FTRC. Isa yun sa pinaka higher rating na review center if you are going to get the board exam. So, yun yung na-highlight ko. So, ang dami kong natutunan, ang dami kong nadi-discover, ang nakaka-inspire din yung mga kanilang mga experiences, and parang naiengganyo na akong maging teacher. Pero let's see in the future kung magiging teacher ba talaga ito. So, let our destiny decide for us. So, yun lang. Just go with the flow. So, ayan. And if you are planning to get the education program, so you're probably na ma-experience nyo din ito, and hoping na hindi kayo mag-skip o hindi kayo mag-absent during the CAT day, kasi marami talaga kayong matutunan, may inspire talaga kayo, may encourage talaga kayo. Depende na yun sa inyo ha, kung encourage ba talaga kayo. Basta sa akin, na-encourage naman ako, pero depende pa din yun kung talagang gusto ko ba talaga i-pursue yung pagiging education ko, kasi hindi natin alam, di ba? So, yeah. Yan yung nangyayari. Ang pagkatapos ng mga pangyayari na yun is umuwi na kami, and we separate ways our home. So, yeah. Yan yung mga nangyayari, and I think that would be all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.